Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and you're watching CGHOW video. Today I created this stylized water waves effect in UE5 Niagara, and I have already created it, but I will create it again from scratch so you can understand better. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and download this project from Patreon. And let's start this tutorial. So this is how it looks, and this is the system. It has three emitter. First is wave, then the glow on the ground, then some particle burst. Okay, so first I created a mesh like this, and let me show you in Maya. Okay, and UVs are very straight, so you can see. Okay, straight UVs. So I created it manually. You can create it in any 3D software, what you know. So what I did, I just took a planer and then decrease, then increase the height, decrease these segments for now, maybe this much, and then I just did it manually. I scaled it like this, and then rotated these, place it here, then rotate it more, place it here, and these will be like straight. Okay, then this one, rotate this, can place it here. So I did it manually. It will take some time, but this is how I did. Okay, and after this I just added some segments like here. Then we need to also rotate these and place it manually. So this is, I'm doing very quickly, but I think you got the idea how I created this.